Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can change the date of birth on your Facebook profile. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write comments, and let's get to our topic. First, open the Facebook application. At the top, click on the image to go to your profile. After that, look for Edit or Edit Profile. Next, you need to scroll to the very bottom and edit your information here. Then scroll down a little bit and find your birthday information. You click Edit. And that brings you to your date of birth. And first of all, you can make it non-public. You can make it, for example, only for your friends or only for you. Next, you can change the date. To do that, you click right here, Edit in the Account Center. This switches you to the Meta Account Center. Next, you see your date of birth, which is the date you have now. If you click on this line, you'll see a calendar like this. You can change the year of birth, the month, and of course the date. Then you click Save. And automatically your Facebook date of birth will be changed immediately. Friends, I really hope this video has been helpful to you. You have seen how you can easily change your date of birth on your Facebook page. Please subscribe to this channel, write your comments, and be sure to put your likes. See you soon.